everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So we're here at Lara's place. We're gonna pick her up and we're gonna go swimming. Ang traffic sobra. Walang swimming. So some students from anong university? Basta university daw nagpa-practice, so hindi na pwede mag-swim. So we're here sa mini stop. Nakaupo kami sa stairs. We're eating kasi may mga tao doon. Pero okay naman yung umupo dito. So we're just gonna eat. We're now gonna swim! I'm wearing this rash guard that I bought from Surf and Sand. Cute na rash guard. Hindi ko siya nasuot sa Palawan eh. Hello! Kala namin mag-road trip na lang kami. Buti na lang bukas yung pool. Lar! Swimming here costs 110 pesos. And ano ba sa YMCA siya. Yan. Ito yung gym. And then this one yung badminton naman na may parang basketball. It's a gloomy day, parang uulan. We're done. Yay! We're gonna go to SM na to get our nails done. Ay, umaraw, Lar. Nice. Ayan, umaraw na. We're now here at Fresh, ano na? Fresh Hair? Fresh Hair. Fresh Hair. We're gonna get our nails done. Yako, ang pangat ang nails ko. So, Manny and Peggy.
Ano po unahin natin, mami? Yung kamay o yung paa po?
Unahin? It's so dark, so you can't see us. Pero we're on our way to Cavite! Yay! Ayan, hi, B!
Hello!
Apoy, apoy, apoy! Baby!
Hindi, abang-abang.
So cute! Mega.
Ninya, dito ka na pala. Action!
Good boy! Paano siya appear? Appear! Good boy! Appear! Galing ng baby. Galing! Tok na siya, baby. Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday. I'm with Mark and we're here sa Cavite. He's not smoking. Pipe yan na, pipe. Tagaytay. We're gonna have early lunch here sa...
Early lunch?
Ay, late lunch sa... Excuse me, teriyaki boy. Kada? We're now seated here outside and the weather is so perfect. Sabi ko kay Mark. So, ano sabi ko, B? Ano sabi ko? Yan, perfect yung weather. Para daw ako sa Kino. Totoo naman yung perfect. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Sobrang cool.
Yung taal.
So, this is teriyaki boy.
Yung taal.
Yung taal. May mga nagpapakita. Wait lang. Yan, di ba? Actually, doon kami kumain last time. So, ito naman kami. Ayan, yung taal. Mga tao. Oh, yeah, we're seated right here. Outside. Wala silang aircon. Hindi naman kailangan ng aircon kasi hindi ganun kainit. Oh, si Jaja nag-text sa akin. Hi, Jaja! Binibenta ng boyfriend niya yung stereo.
Hindi maganda yung brand ng ano?
Anong brand?
Targa. Yung subwoofer.
Anong Targa? Subwoofer.
Brand ng subwoofer.
Kasi I vlogged, in my previous vlog, I vlogged na sira yung ano ko, diba? Oh, anyway, I don't have any makeup on. Mineral makeup lang, wala akong brows. Okay lang mag This stuff is from Surplus Shop. Cute, diba? Ikaw, anong OOTD mo? Parang si Kuya Jack, magkawad ka.
Ayoko.
Hi ka kay Ate Joanne. Hi, Ate Joanne. Ay pala niya ate. Joanne lang, Joanne. Oh, I forgot to vlog about the Macklemore concerts. So we're giving away 2 concerts together with SM Accessories. But I think by the time this video goes up, na-announce ko na yung winners. So, winners. There's gonna be 2 winners for the lower box B. Mark and I will be attending the concert and first concert namin together will be at the Mosh Pit VIP tickets. Thank you to SM Accessories. So I'm very excited. And actually, I first heard of Macklemore and Ryan Lewis from Judy and Benji kasi taga Seattle daw. Tama. From Seattle yung yung banda. Anyway, I like their song Same Love. Same Love. And ikaw yung Thrift Shop. Tsaka
Ano yung title nun? Can't Hold Us?
Yon, Can't Hold Us, yun. This is okonomiyaki. And B, bakit nga ba gumagalaw yung taas?
Mahangin.
Hindi!
Mahangin.
Hindi! Ba't siya
Mahangin.
gumagalaw?
Mahangin, B.
Here we have chicken ramen. And Mark ordered the
Yakisoba.
yakisoba. Yum! Siyempre, hindi ako niya kasi mukhang masarap. But I want soup, so I ordered chicken ramen. Chicken ramen.
Philly cheese steak.
Philly cheese steak.
Beef steak.
Philly beef steak.
No, may cheese.
Philly cheese
Steak roll.
steak roll. Yum. Thank you, kuya. Okay na. Tapos may cheese. Oh, yeah. We're done eating. Sobrang busog. Kasi sobrang busog. I love the okonomiyaki and the chicken teriyaki with the soup. Just finished grocery shopping because tonight is movie night. Kumakain si Mark ng patingin. Melona. I have here the Magnum Gold na chocolate bar. Ooh, lamig. Lamig. Lamig, no?
Wait.
I told Mark na gusto kong pinagbubuksan niya ako ng pinto. Kaya lagi dapat niya akong pagbuksan. Oh! Ba't mo iniwan?
Ay, sasakay ka eh.
Eh, hintayin mo ako makasakay. Eh, pal. Di ba dapat ganon? Pala gentleman? Ay, naku, bita mo. Dapat sino magsara ng pinto ko?
Ikaw. Bago, exit nga eh.
Wow, gumulong ang mga basura. Daming ko-comment. Mark, mag-seatbelt ka.